Good morning, friends. This is time for the trade plan for 11th of November 2020. Now, overnight markets, if we have a look at the S&P 500, S&P 500, if you see, has consolidated above this trend line, and the bar was, you can say, positive, and it just retested this trend line and came back. Today in the morning, SGX Nifty is about unchanged, while Asia is fairly positive. So this is SGX, and this is right now at 12,666. You know, this thing is now becoming so vertical that it becomes very, very difficult to make a plan here. But I would think that we are still strong, and what that basically means is that you will get sharp intraday declines in the middle of the day, and that is something you need to capture. So the plan is that either you get a first half an hour kind of dip which you buy into, or middle of the day all of a sudden the market collapses. So basically you have two plans of action. One is to buy on a dip like this, and this is a 5-minute Nifty chart. The second is to buy on a dip like this. So if you enter at such points, chances are the market recovers and takes you out. On the bank Nifty, this can be a bit more difficult. The reason is that the bank Nifty has so far been the stronger index. So what you get is very mild declines. Let's see if we can open the bank Nifty futures. So bank Nifty yesterday, if you see, you got two decent dips. One was this, and the second was this. Rest of the day, you got consolidations which you could have entered. So this was one consolidation. Okay, this was another consolidation. Now again, on both the indices, things are very, very overextended, but I don't think they are still weak. And till until proven otherwise, there shouldn't be any reason to get short here. I would think a previous day's low needs to be taken out as the first evidence that things are weakening. So, as a stop and as a trigger on the bank nifty, 27,832 is that level where you would think that things are weakening. On the nifty futures, I think that zone could be 12,500. So these are the two levels that you need to keep in mind. On the upside, you see markets can continue to move up. I have no doubt that at some point we should get to 12,000. In terms of my uh, propensity to take positions, it will be, I would much rather not trade today than take very uh, poor setups. So if last couple of days I was fairly aggressive, today you want to see what happens, because chances are that today the level of opportunity may be a bit lower, going by the way Asia is behaving. So more individual stock type of day, and going by that, it is possible that financials still have some upside and IT goes down. But today is the sort of day where you try to defend your capital, because these 1200 point moves on a daily basis will be difficult to come. I'm not saying do not trade by all means, but look for proper setups, which means look for consolidation, sideways moves, sharp intraday dips to buy into, because incrementally, point to point, the moves may be getting smaller from here, and you will get both sideways consolidation and sharp dips. While we are on the topic, you can have a look at the S&P 500 futures. Nothing significant, still in a consolidation type of mode. Um, Dollar index, uh, dollar index is 92.7. Still, all those parameters are okay, and that should be it for right now. I think RIL could, yesterday's close was very good, above 20 DMA. This could move up from here. So today you could have RIL also participating strongly along with financials. So that should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.